It's been a while since I recorded a video like this, but since we're getting a lot of tickets where camera is not working, I decided to share. Maybe some of you have some similar issue. So basically, we have been getting like, I don't know, maybe 10, 20 cases in last month or 2 months where users complain that their camera is not working, or even if it's working after somebody reinstalls the camera driver from Dell website, because all of the affected computers are Dell. Even after driver reinstall, it stops working for a while. And today I got a user with even stranger camera issue, but it's also, so here we're talking about integrated camera. So basically, as soon as we open, like for example, here Teams, I press on devices and I start scrolling down and I get this far, and his computer freezes and crashes and restarts. So this is the last screenshot I could take before the computer froze. I took it through TeamViewer, so it was possible to take this. But it is very strange. And then I checked some log files, and the only log files I could find related to this is this. They were saying that the service called server to Windows camera stopped working, and that's it. And it has happened 22 times. And then I just checked the service. What is it about, and what does it include? And it says it's the frame server. It's under Windows System 32 SVC host camera, and it says that it's working. It doesn't show any like how to say, any symptoms that it's failing or anything. So I restarted the service, and of course it didn't change anything. And also, if if we open like camera app, it shows that it's trying to get the preview, but it's just stuck here. And sometimes it doesn't, not even this comes up, so nothing comes up. It's either some black screen, white screen, or something like that. And I have reinstalled like that camera app, reset the settings, reinstalled Teams, clean Teams cache, reinstalled the driver from Dell, checked if possible to install some older Dell drivers. I installed 1 month older driver or the previous version of the driver, but it still didn't fix the issue. So I haven't tried like the really old drivers, but I'm not sure if it's good to install like the very old drivers on these PCs, because there's some security regulations and stuff like that. But basically, I was not able to really find what causes this. And if we sometimes after I uninstall the driver from device manager and go in and restart computer, go into Teams, then it doesn't crash. I can get this far, but you can see it's completely white, and it shows AV stream media device. Normally it shows the camera name, some different kind of name, not this text. So that's some kind of clue maybe. And then there's also some log files here. They are in Danish, but they also point here system svc host. These log files come each time after a camera crashes. So it crashed like 22 times, and after each time this log file comes up under the red triangle that it has crashed. And then there was also this log file, which points to this inf file, but not much more information about it. So I am not sure if this is something related to Intune, because this issue, we had never had this issue for that many computers at the same time before computers migrated to Intune. It could be maybe some policy, something is blocking um, these specific camera files or camera driver files. Maybe it's Windows Defender not recognizing that it's actually a normal driver, it's camera driver, and essentially we are not sure what causes this. But I just wanted to share this with you, and yeah, and